It's Bonito's birthday. His birthday, hatch day. Eat 13. Now he's got his popcorn and everyone else gets to share in on it. It's so yummy! You piggy! Look at your beak, Bonito. Here. Birthday boy. Birthday teal boy. That one's on my head. It's Zelda. Or it's not Zelda. Uh-oh, someone's tuchus is in the way. Perla, your tookie's in the way. Phoenix is eating the cob because she's a piggy. Queen piggy. Look at that dirty beak, Phoenix. Shadow's putting his face in. Shadow, you're getting recorded. It's Bonito's birthday. And he's not eating the cob. He's over here looking stupid. Bonito, I'll give you some pieces. There you go, Bonito. Some popcorn. It's popcorn for Bonito. Zelda's in there pigging out. Zelda, how does that taste? Whoa. It's good. Yep. It has all happened again. Feels pretty familiar, huh? About 2 days ago, Bonito. Bonito. Look at the dirty beak. Dirty beaks everywhere. Go get the cob. Get it straight off the cob, Bonito. Whoosh. Zelda, you coming in? Zelda's looking for something. Bonito, you were on the cob. You had the best spot. Oh no. I dropped the phone. I did it again. Bonito, it's so good. Yosh. A lot of birds again. Making another mess. Got everything clean. Canelli Beans, it was your birthday before. You got more popcorn, Canelli. Your brother's birthday, I think. I think Bonito's your brother. Hey, Bonito, you're running away. Where you going? You thirsty? Go get a drink. Yosh, refresh, hydrate. Come back to me. Hang on my shoulder. Bonito chills with me, and the rest pig out on his birthday treat. Zelda, you got a dirty beak. You got static cling. Little static cling on your wing. These piggies. Canelli didn't have enough. Yeah. Canals. So yummies. The rest are tapped out. Zelda still has tons of energy to pig. Whoa. Whoa, coming for the camera to get a piece. Go get the cob. Dig in there. Bonito, you're full. You had all that rice earlier. You coming back, Bijou? Phoenix, dirty beak. Back. Shadow, coming close with you guys. That's what you're doing. Up close and personal, Zelda pigs it up. Get it, Zelda. Clean that cob up. Get all those pieces out of there. I know, Bonito. They're enjoying your popcorn. Scratchies. Oh. Zelda. We know who destroys it now. It's Zelda. Zelda's almost 2. Got a few more months, Zelda. She's the youngest. And the hungriest. Yeah, she's almost got all the stuff off the cob. She got more than 50% of it. Shadow, you better get in there if you want some of it. Yeah. Bowie, what's up? Bowie's timid teal for now. Bowie, Nelly, the butt's in the way. Alrighty, guys, enjoy. Bye bye.